Hi everyone, JSA work here today. I continue to get some tricks to get multiple return values. We have two tables. Table 1 shows the sales engines of members, groups in the company. Table 2 is to get multiple return values from table 1. Let's begin. We want to get the information of group members, the date of birth, the sales engines in one group. For example, to get the information of group 1, type group 1 into cell T2. The column to get the information is column B, D, and E. The row to get the information is 6, 7, 12, and 17. To get data automatically, the first, we specify the row number to get data. Assuming that, enter match function into cell H6. Lookup value is group 1. Press F4 to fix value. Where to lookup is column C. Match type 0 and enter. Drag the handle down. The results show that this match function specifies only the first row numbers of group 1 in table 1. So, in order to get all row numbers of group 1 in table 1, we combine match function with offset function, in which offset function is to return a range, that is a specified number of rows and columns from the reference cell or range. In this case study, the first row number in group 1 is 6. So, assuming that, we find the second, the third, the fourth row number of group 1 with the new range to look up. Range from the row number 7 to 1 million. Specifically, type match, lookup value, press F4, offset, reference is C1. Press F4 to fix the reference. Number row to move up or down from the reference. In this case, number row to move from the reference is 6. So, to A6. Number column to move up or down from the reference to 0 because number column to move from the reference is 0. The size of the return range in number of rows to maximum values 1 million. Type 0 to get the exactly matched. And enter to get the results. The results show the second row number of group 1 is 1. It is row number in the new reference range, so to specify the row number in 6, we add A6 in the upper formula. Enter, drag the handle out, and drag the handle up. We specify clearly the row number of group 1 automatically, but some cells have no available. So type is error function above to address the problem. If error, OK. Drag the handle down. The next step, we use a specified row number to look up the group members by using index function. Type index. 2 column to get data, column B. 2 row number to get data, 2 column number in reference to look up. Type 1. Drag handle down to get the data. The result show full member of group 1, but some cells have a value error, so type if error function above to address the problem. If error to the end, enter. Drag the handle down. The same, look up the data but type index. 2 column to get data, column D. 2 row number to get data, 2 column number in reference, type 1. If error to the end, enter. Drag handle down to get the results. The last, look up the cell engines, type index. 2 column to get data, column E. 2 row number to get data, 2 column number in reference to look up, type 1. If error to the end, OK. Overall, we set up get information of group 1 from table 1 automatically, fastly, and exactly. If we change group 1 into group 2, we get information of group 2 automatically. To get data automatically better, we use the drop list. Excel type 2. Data type, data validation, to list, type group 1, group 2, and group 3. Click OK to get the results. The results show better methods. If you want to hide the value not necessary, you format cell, home, custom, and OK. If you want to protect cell and hide formula, you make the following.